Hello students, welcome back to our class. In this module we are going to discuss about 2 marks problems which were given frequently in the chapter triangles. Coming to the first problem here, in figure angle D is equal to angle E, it was given clearly. AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Then show that triangle BAC is an isosceles triangle. I would like to draw this figure again. Okay, just to get a better idea. ABC is a triangle and here DE is a line drawn. I don't know whether it is parallel or not, but these two angles are equal. Okay, given that angle D is equal to angle C and AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. What do you mean by that? It means DE is parallel to BC as per converse of basic proportionality theorem. If AD by DB is equal to AE by AC, then we can say that DE is parallel to BC. Isn't it? So if DE is parallel to BC, then once you observe, let us suppose this angle is equal to X, this angle is also equal to X, both are equal. Right? Since these two lines are parallel, what do you call this line? AB to DE and BC, that's a transversal line for these two pair of parallel lines. So if this is transversal, this angle is equal to this angle because they are a pair of corresponding angles. And if again these two are parallel, you can consider this one also transversal, so that this angle is equal to this angle. It is again a pair of corresponding angles. Once you observe, X is equal to X. In triangle ABC, angle B is equal to angle C. Means two angles are equal in a triangle. If two angles are equal, then automatically the sides which are opposite to equal angles also equal. Therefore, AB is equal to AC. If AB is equal to AC, then the triangle is said to be an isosceles triangle. So that is the way of answering the problem. So when you write the steps, AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Therefore, by the converse of basic proportionality theorem, DE is parallel to BC. Since DE parallel to BC, then we can say that this angle is equal to this angle. That is angle ABC is equal to angle ADC, and this angle is angle ACB is equal to angle AED. Since they are pair of corresponding angles, but already you know that angle ADE is equal to AED. It was already given. Okay, so therefore angle D is equal to angle E. That implies this angle equal to this angle. What is that angle? Angle B is equal to angle C. Therefore triangle ABC is isosceles. You understand how to answer the problem? It is quite simpler, but you will have to understand how best that you can utilize the concept of basic proportionality theorem as well as converse only matters. Coming to the next problem, in figure ABC is an isosceles triangle right angled at C with AC is equal to 4 centimeters. Find the length of AB. See here, ACB is a right angle triangle. So by the Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equal to side square plus side square. Hypotenuse is AB, so that AB square is equal to side square, that is AC square plus BC square. AC square plus BC square. But here AC and BC both are equal, right? So that AB square is equal to AC square is AC square. BC is also equal to AC, therefore BC square equal to AC square. Therefore, AB square is equal to AC square plus AC square is equal to 2AC square. AB square is equal to 2 times, what is the value of AC? It is 4. So, going to be 4 square. So AB square is equal to 2 times 4 square is equal to 16. Therefore, AB square is equal to 16 2s are 32. But here it is 2 times 16, right? I will leave it like that because we need to find out the value of AB. Therefore, the value of AB is equal to square root 2 times 16. Right? Square root 2 is square root 2. But square root 16 is equal to 4. Therefore, the value of AB is going to be 4 into root 2 centimeters. So, this way we can find the value of AB with the help of this information. Coming to the next problem. In an equilateral triangle of side 3 root 3 centimeters, let us consider an equilateral triangle ABC whose side is equal to 3 root 3 centimeters. Here also 3 root 3 centimeters. Here also 3 root 3 centimeters. Okay. Find the length of its altitude. Length of the altitude means this is what is the altitude. Okay. Let AM be the altitude and here also it is perpendicular. See what kind of triangles these two are, first and second. Are these two triangles congruent triangles? Let us check. Right angle equal to right angle because that's already a perpendicular. Hypotenuse equal to hypotenuse because all the three sides are equal in right equilateral triangle. AM is the common side for both the two triangles. Therefore, by RHS congruence, triangle AMB and triangle AMC both are congruent. Okay. So, by RHS congruence, triangle ABM or AMB is congruent to triangle, what is that? AMC. So by CPCT, we can say that BM is equal to MC. BM is equal to MC, but BM and MC both are equal to half of BC, right? Because both are equal to half BC. So therefore, I am going to write BM is equal to MC is equal to half BC means BC is 3 root 3. So 3 root 3 divided by 2, this is what is BM is equal to MC. After finding BM or MC, whatever it is, we need to find out the altitude AM. For that, I can consider one of the right angled triangles. Suppose I am taking triangle AMB. From triangle AMB, hypotenuse square equal to side square plus side square because that is the right angle triangle. Hypotenuse is AB, so that AB square is equal to AM square plus BM square. AM square plus BM square. What is the value of AB? AB is equal to 3 root 3. So 3 root 3 whole square is equal to AM square is AM square plus BM is equal to 3 root 3 by 2 whole square. 3 root 3 by 2 whole square. Now you simplify. What is 3 root 3 whole square? 3 square into root 3 whole square. 3 square is equal to 9. Root 3 whole square is equal to 3. 9 3s are 27. And transposing 3 root 3 by 2 whole square this side. So minus 27 divided by 2 square equal to 4, which is equal to AM square. Clear? So now 27 into 4 is equal to, otherwise I would take 27 common and then 1 minus 1 by 4. So 27 into 1 minus 1 by 4 is 3 by 4, which is equal to AM square. Am I clear? So AM square is equal to 27 into 3 by 4. 27 3s are 81. 81 divided by 4 is equal to AM square. So 81 is equal to what? 9 square by 2 square. So that is 9 by 2 whole square is equal to AM square. Therefore, the value of AM is equal to 9 divided by 2. AM equal to 9 by 2. Of course, it is centimeters. This is the way of finding the altitude. But please do remember, I will tell you one more thing, that altitude of an equilateral triangle is root 3 by 2 times to its side. This is the quick way to answer the problem. Altitude is equal to root 3 by 2 times to its side. Root 3 by 2 times, what is the side here? 3 root 3. correct? So here root 3 into root 3 equal to 3. 3 times 3 equal to 9. 9 divided by 2 is the value of altitude directly. Since it is being 2 marks problem, according to marking scheme, definitely you will have to provide the proper steps. Otherwise, if this problem is given for 1 mark, directly you can write altitude of an equilateral triangle is equal to root 3 by 2 times to its side, whatever the side is. Then directly you will get the answer. Coming to the next problem, in triangle ABC, AD perpendicular to BC. So I am taking one triangle. This triangle ABC, in which AD is perpendicular to BC and AD square is equal to BD into CD. AD square is equal to BD into CD. Right? Then, in general, okay, irrespective of this problem, in any triangle AD square is equal to BD into DC, then that AD is said to be the mean proportional between BD and DC. This is one of the part of our Pythagoras theorem. Please do remember, this is one of the important property. If AD square is equal to BD into DC, then AD is said to be the mean proportional between BD and DC. Right? Let us see the problem what is given. In this problem, you are given that AD square is equal to BD into CD. Okay, fine. AD square equal to BD into CD. This is right angle. Of course, this is also right angle because AD is perpendicular to BC. I am going to write this as AD square is AD times AD is equal to BD times CD. Clear? Now I am transposing one AD that side and one CD or one BD, anything is okay. So transposing BD this side. Then AD by BD is equal to CD by AD. Once you observe this, AD by BD is equal to CD by AD, and in these two triangles, angle ADB is equal to 90 degrees, which is also equal to angle CDA. Angle CDA. Why did I write angle CDA? Because here in these two triangles, AD by BD is equal to CD by AD, and these two angles are equal, included angles are equal. Therefore, by SAS similarity, we can say that triangle ADB is similar to not ADC, similar to CDA, similar to triangle CDA. Since these two triangles are similar, then corresponding angles are equal. So what are corresponding angles? This angle is equal to this angle, and that is x, right? So this angle is equal to this angle, and this angle is equal to this angle. Am I clear? Since these two are already similar. But you see, in this entire triangle, by angle sum property of triangle, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees, right? Angle A means this entire angle, that is x plus y, plus angle B is y, plus angle C is equal to x, which is equal to 180 degrees. X plus x equal to 2x, y plus y is equal to 2y, so that I can write it as 2 times x plus y is equal to 180. Therefore, x plus y is equal to 180 by 2 is equal to 90 degrees. But what is x plus y? X plus y together BAC, right? Therefore, angle BAC is equal to 90 degrees. That is what you need to prove. See here. Then prove that right angle at A. At A is nothing but angle BAC. Hope you understand. So this is one of the very, very important problems given in exercise 6.5. So please do remember this. Coming to the next problem here, in the given triangle PQR, so I am just drawing a little bit bigger. So this is one triangle given. So this triangle is triangle PQR. Okay. So there is one more point over there. This point is K. And let us see what is the information given. Angle PKR is equal to 90. PKR is equal to 90. So this is 90 degrees. QPR is also equal to 90. QPR means this total angle is equal to 90 degrees. PR is equal to 24. Where is the PR? This PR is equal to 24 centimeters. QR is equal to 26. This is 26 centimeters. And in triangle PKR, this is 90, and KR is equal to 8 centimeters. This is 8 centimeters. Then find the value of PK. Where is PK? This is what is PK. This is what we want. Let it be some X. Now, if you observe these two triangles, what kind of triangles both are? Are these two triangles similar triangles? Let us check. So, in these two triangles, this angle is equal to 90, this angle is equal to 90, fine. And what about the corresponding sides? We do not know about the corresponding sides. PQR is equal to 90, PQ is equal to 24, or PR equal to 24. So, it is given PQ is equal to 24. Sorry, it was mentioned wrongly. This is 24. PQ 24 and QR is equal to 26, and in triangle PKR it was given, see, in this right angle triangle, hypotenuse square equal to side square plus side square, right? Because this triangle PQR, I would write here, in triangle PQR, which angle is 90? Angle P is equal to 90. If angle P is equal to 90, then the hypotenuse is going to be QR. So then QR square is equal to PQ square plus PR square. Correct? So QR is going to be 26. So 26 square is equal to PQ square. What is PQ? That is 24. So 24 square plus PR square. 26 square minus 24 square is equal to PR square. So 26 square minus 24 square means 26 square is equal to 676, 24 square equal to 576. 676 minus 576 is equal to 100, 100 is equal to 10 square. So 10 square is equal to PR square, therefore the value of PR is equal to 10. Okay, we got the value of PR which is equal to 10. What do you want then? You want PK. So PK is, this is what PK. Again you can apply Pythagoras theorem for the small triangle. What is that small triangle? PKR triangle. Since it is 90, opposite side is hypotenuse. This is one side and this is another side. In triangle, what is the triangle? In triangle PKR, this angle K is equal to 90. Since it is 90 degrees, then hypotenuse is PR. So that PR square is equal to PK square plus KR square. PK square plus KR square, right? So PR is equal to 10, right? So that 10 square is equal to, what is PK square? We do not know what is PK square. Plus KR square is going to be 8 square. So therefore PK square is going to be, PK square is equal to 10 square equal to 100, 8 square equal to 64, which is going to be 36, which is equal to 6 square. So PK square is equal to 6 square, therefore the value of PK is equal to 6. So this way we can answer this problem easily. Coming to the next problem, ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to CD. Let me draw one trapezium here. So this is one trapezium ABCD trapezium in which AB is parallel to DC and the diagonals intersect each other at a point O. These two are two diagonals intersect at a point O. Then show that AO by BO equal to CO by DO. This is one of the interesting problems. This is in fact exercise 6.2 9th problem. So in this problem, in trapezium ABCD, AB is parallel to DC. These two are parallel. Of course, diagonals intersect each other at a point O. And what are you going to prove here? So RTP is AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. For that, I am going to use a small construction here. So why this construction is required? Because AO by BO is equal to CO by DO is just similar to, it's appearing like basic proportionality theorem. So if you want to apply basic proportionality theorem, then you need a triangle. Of course, we have so many triangles, and a line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle. That is not there. Here AB is parallel to CD, that's it. But AB and CD are not located in the same triangle. So that is why we need to have a small construction that I am going to draw a line. This is one line through point O, which is parallel to DC. Let this point is P. So the construction is going to be, what is the construction? PO is drawn parallel to DC or parallel to AB, because AB and DC both are parallel. Through the point O. What is that? Through the point O. Now coming to the proof. Observe here. I am going to consider triangle ADC. Okay? In triangle ADC, PO is parallel to DC. So PO is parallel to DC. Therefore, by basic proportionality theorem, AP by PD is equal to AP by PD is equal to AO by OC. Is equal to AO by OC. Let it be first one. Similarly, I am going to take triangle DAB. Now see this triangle DAB. In this triangle DAB, again PO is parallel to AB, right? If PO is parallel to AB, again by basic proportionality theorem, we can say that AP by PD is equal to BO by OD. So similarly, what is that? AP by PD is equal to BO by OD. Observe these two equations. Those two equations are equal to AP by PD only. So that we can equate right hand sides. So when you equate right hand sides, we get AO by OC is equal to BO by OD. AO by OC equal to BO by OD, but we want AO by BO, right? So that by cross multiplication, AO into OD is equal to OC into OB or BO. So transpose BO this side and OD that side. Therefore, AO by BO is equal to OC by OD. This is what the way of proving this statement. So this way we can answer problems which were given in 2 marks in our previous board examination papers. So hope you understand, enjoy the class. Thank you.